When your computer has got updated, and after you have faced many issues and the computer is not running properly, at that time you can uninstall that update. Okay, how can you uninstall that updates? Just go to this start menu and go to settings. Here you can find our Windows update and click on update history, and after you can find out here uninstall updates, and whatever update has been in a computer, just uninstall it, and after restart your computer the problem will be fixed. Okay friends, if this video really helped you, then let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.